You already rely on Fluke clamp meters. Now you can have the same high-quality meter with the added advantage of data collection and trending. The 376 FC True-RMS AC/DC clamp meter with iFlex and Fluke Connect will make your job easier. The wireless capabilities allow you to transmit measurement data and collaborate on projects. Use your smartphone to store data securely to the Fluke cloud. Use your Fluke Connect Assets subscription to spot trends crucial for preventive maintenance. Collect data so you can see small changes before they turn into big problems. Find intermittent faults and establish a baseline. Learn more about the Fluke 376 clamp meter with trending. Visit fluke.com.